Tesla is gearing up for the release of the Juniper update for its highly successful Model Y, with production anticipated to begin in early 2025. As excitement builds, rumors and speculations about new features and design changes have spurred digital artists to create renderings that envision what the refreshed Model Y might look like. Tesla's design philosophy has always favored simplicity and functionality, prioritizing aerodynamic efficiency over aesthetics. While this approach has led to some attractive designs like the Model S, the Model Y's styling, largely derived from the Model 3, has been less celebrated for its visual appeal. The recent redesign of the Model 3, which included subtle yet impactful changes, has been widely praised. This has led to a growing demand for similar updates to be applied to the Model Y. However, Tesla appears to be taking its time, with a significant gap between the launches of the Highland and Juniper updates. Recent sightings of Model Y prototypes testing on public roads suggest that the refreshed model is not far off. Leaked images of the new design have sparked curiosity, revealing changes that suggest Tesla may be stepping out of its comfort zone with more daring design choices. One notable update appears to be the inclusion of decorative lighting, both inside and outside the vehicle. The leaked images confirm a rear light bar with a gradual light projection, and there are rumors of a similar light bar at the front, connecting the headlights to create a new lighting signature. Digital artist Dominic Brinkman, at Dominic Bar and KMN, has been quick to incorporate these leaked details into his renderings of the Model Y Juniper. His latest work, which features the Model Y in quicksilver and a striking light gold metallic, a color not yet available on any Tesla vehicle, showcases a stunning vision of what the refreshed Model Y could look like.